Hello there. This is how you can use your mergecube with your phone. Okay, the first thing that you'll need to do is download the CoSpaces apps into your mobile device. Okay, your iPhone, your iPads, or your Android device. Okay, once you have already downloaded the apps, okay, what you need to do is click on the apps, and you will need to input your username and your password. Okay, your username and your password you have created uh, on your laptop. So use the same username and password, and then click on login. Once you log in, you will be in the classes that I've already created for you. Okay, click on it and you will see your work. All right, again, click on it and you will see, okay, the editor where your work, okay, is in. Next, on the top right hand corner of your mobile device, okay, you will see the word play. Okay, click on it. Okay, what you will see, okay, is this image. Okay, what you need to do next, point it to the cube, and the AR that you have already created will appear on the merge cube itself. Okay, this is how it will look like.